Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing the environment so you can build quickly. Install Python 3.10 or newer and open your project folder in VS Code. Make sure the Python extension is enabled. Then create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates dependencies. Once done, run pip install Django and use Django admin start project mysite to scaffold. These steps set up reproducible, editable code and avoid global package conflicts. Next, you configure and launch the app so you can iterate with feedback. Select the Venv interpreter in VS Code so linting and run tasks use the right Python. Edit settings. Py for allowed hosts, static file paths, and your database. Use SQLite 3 for quick testing. Run Python manage. Py migrate to apply migrations and Python manage. Py create a superuser to make an admin account. Finally, start the server with Python manage. Py run server and open localhost 8000 to finish, establish a repeatable workflow for development and debugging. Use VS Code's debug launch configuration for Django to set breakpoints and step through views. This reveals why data or templates behave a certain way. Create new apps with Python manage. Py start app and add them to installed apps, then run migrations. If something breaks, check the terminal for the Django traceback, confirm the virtual environment is active, and ensure settings. Py points to the correct DB and secret key. This single check fixes many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.